outside the bathroom, I said, jealous? You think I'm jealous? Jealous when I'm the one who paid for the majority of this trip? You talking about jealous? I said I could never be jealous of a girl that's wearing my wig. Y'all, I kid you not, this girl got so heated. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Today is another story time. Excuse how I look. I was just cleaning up the house and this story was really weighing heavy on my mind. You know when you cleaning up and you just can't stop thinking? So I went on this girls trip, and that's pretty crazy for me because I'm not really a girl's girl. I am a girl's girl, but I don't get along with girls, and I've known that my entire life. We got to give the girls I went on this trip with a name. We're going to call my best friend Vanilla, and we're going to call her friend Caramel. So me, Vanilla, and Caramel decided we're going to go. Okay, so me, Vanilla, and Caramel all decided on Jamaica. So we all planned to go to Jamaica. We got our bags. We got all our outfits we needed. Once me, Vanilla, and Caramel got to Jamaica, it was like downhill from there. Y'all know when you first land, you're tired. You don't really want to do much. I kind of wanted to go out to eat that night, but nobody else wanted to. So I said, okay, whatever. So the next day, y'all, we ended up waking up to some breakfast. Caramel had drunk way too much and ended up having a hangover. Because she had a hangover, we didn't get to do the daytime festivities that I really, really wanted to do. Instead, we ended up going out that night. And I remember going to this club. Caramel doesn't have her ID. I'm like, girl, you knew where we were going. Like, why would you not have your ID? Because she was already drinking, she want to snap. She want to go off. First of all, you don't know me, babes. You don't know me. I'm literally just saying, like, I just don't like backwards ass shit. Like, I just don't like backwards people. Like, you knew where we were going. How could you have forgotten your ID? You probably shouldn't drink. We drove all the way back to the Airbnb for her to get her ID. Them two, Vanilla and Caramel, ends up going into the club without me. I'm calling Vanilla's phone, calling. Vanilla said, oh girl, you probably was walking too slow. But I literally remember holding on to Vanilla's arm. And she was like, hold on real quick. Like, she took my arm from around her arm and she was like, stay right here real quick. And she left me. Like, she literally walked into the club without me. And had the nerve to say, oh my God, girl, you probably was just walking too slow. First of all, that was a very, very scary experience. It was nighttime. I'm in a place where I don't even know. I've been in so many different situations where I'd be like, damn, how did I get out of it? But it's not how I did it, because God is real, baby. God is so real. I don't know how I made it back to the Airbnb safe, but that's exactly what I did. I called an Uber or whatever it's called out there, and they took me back to the Airbnb, and I made it in safe while them hoes stayed out and clubbed all night. At this point, I'm already knowing this trip is about to sink ship. You feel me? Like, literally. The next day, we wake up, we get dressed to go do our daytime festivities. I guess, and so I'm guessing Caramel threw up in her wig the night before. So they came to me and was like, both of them, I don't know why both of them had to ask me, but both of them came to me and was like, Caramel need a wig. Like, did you bring an extra wig? So I'm like, yeah, but it's for me. Like, what? And she was like, girl, just let me use it. Like, come on, I threw up in my wig. I don't have any shampoo or conditioner, which I'm pretty sure you could have found some shampoo and conditioner up in that Airbnb. It was so nice, y'all. This girl literally flipped the script on me. She was like, don't be like that. Oh my God, girl, I'm not gonna be able to go if you don't let me wear this wig, blah, blah, blah. Why would you bring one wig? Like, why would you, or why not just go wash your hair? What, like, well, she had like a little idea of my disability, but I'm pretty sure my best friend told her everything. You feel me? So she was like, girl, I know you probably can't see what I'm talking about, but my lace is literally messed up. I threw up in my lace. Please give me a new wig. Please, can I get one of your wigs? My lace is messed up, girl. It's the fact that you're talking about, you may not be able to see my lace, but look, it's messed up. Like, that's supposed to hold weight. Like, that doesn't hold. I don't like shady people. I feel like that was just shade. But regardless, like, how you gonna be shady to somebody you need right now? But whatever. I ended up giving her the wig because I'm so slow and too nice. She was like, and can I borrow your glue? And can I borrow your this? And can I borrow your that? This girl literally borrowed everything but my underwear on this trip, y'all. Mind you, Vanilla is not saying nothing. Vanilla is not like checking this girl. She's not doing nothing. So then, anywho, we gotta wait for her to finish her hair. We was literally late to everything that day because she wanted to take off her wig, reinstall a whole new wig. We was only able to do like 2 things off of our itinerary that day because she had us start the day so late, y'all. We ended up getting on this boat, and Caramel handed me her phone, and she was like, please, Cariel, get a good picture of me. Get a really good picture of me. Mind you, I'm legally blind, baby. I'm not gonna be able to take your pictures really good. On top of that, I told her this. I said, it's sunny outside, and when it's sunny, I can't see the phone at all. The screen gets too dark. So she was like, girl, stop. Just hold the phone towards me. It's okay. You can do it. Hold the phone towards me. Take my picture. I said, girl, if your picture don't come out cute, I don't want to hear nothing. She was like, it's going to come out cute. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just take my picture. Mind you, Vanilla is standing right next to me. I look at Vanilla. I'm like, why you just can't take her picture for her? Like, this your friend. And she was like, girl, because I'm going to go get on the boat too. And she walked off. Mind you, Vanilla is my best friend. But the whole time we on this trip, she's giving me standoffish ass vibes. And it's just like her and Caramel. It's just her and Caramel. So boom, they go on the boat. I'm taking the pictures because I can hear her yelling like, take it, take it, take it. I'm taking the pictures, right? So I end up getting me a drink, y'all. I'm thinking I've taken enough picture of this girl. Like but I'm not a photographer. So I came to enjoy my trip too. I'm not no cameraman. So I goes and I sit and I have my drink, y'all. I'm chilling on the boat. She comes up to me and she was like, girl, what are you doing? I'm not done taking pictures. I said, girl, I'm chilling right now. I don't know what you're talking about. Like, you can take your own pictures, get you a tripod, do your thing. She was like, oh my gosh. And she grabbed her phone. She looking at the pictures, y'all. She was like, what the fuck is this? These pictures are so ugly. Why would you take it from this angle? This girl is literally in my face mad. Why would you take it from this angle? Are you slow? You could barely see me. You could barely see me. I said, first of all, I told you I wouldn't be able to take a fucking picture. You bitches, I can't see. I can't see the camera. Like, what's not clicking? We going back and forth because, like I said, this girl has literally been such a nuisance this entire trip. The whole trip, you've been annoying me. So now we snapping on each other on the boat. So she was like, girl, I could literally just throw this fucking phone right at your face right now. Why would you make my pictures ugly like this? Hold on, boo. Hold on, boo. I said, Vanilla, get your friend. Vanilla, get your friend. Y'all, I am so freaking nice. When I think back on the things I've been through, I am too nice, y'all. Anywho, so we all get home, y'all. And mind you, we have plans to go out to eat this night. The chef was going to cook, but I was like, we could just go out to eat. Mind you, I'm minding my business, getting ready, y'all. I done took my shower. I'm wetting my hair, like, trying to get my curls together, and I could hear them right outside the room, right outside the bathroom. All I remember is hearing Caramel say, I just can't hang with a bitch that will purposely fuck up my pictures. Like, I don't play about my pictures. Hating ass, like, she was literally going in. I just feel like females be so hateful. Females be so jealous. I stepped outside the bathroom. I said, jealous? You think I'm jealous? Jealous when I'm the one who paid for the majority of this trip? You talking about jealous? I said I could never be jealous of a girl that's wearing my wig. Y'all, I kid you not. This girl got so heated. She got so heated. People hate the truth. They hate the truth. Like, for real. Why would I hate on you when you needed to wear my wig? Like, all jokes aside, for real. Even though I let you borrow the wig out of the kindness of my heart, be for real. Why? So I was going to act like I purposely wanted to leave y'all off on a cliffhanger. But honestly, my camera stopped recording, and I didn't even realize it, girl. I was talking and talking and talking. Now that I'm editing, none of that footage got recorded. None of it got recorded. So we're just gonna split this up. I promise you, part 2 is gonna be out very soon. So stay tuned, babes. I actually need to sit here for a few more minutes to get my 10-minute mark. You feel me? Because a bitch get paid from YouTube now. So, like, got to get those 10 minutes in. You feel me? Can't be 8:50. It can't be 7:30. It has to be 10 on a dot. Not 9:02. Not 9:59. 10. You feel me? Anyways. Follow me on all of my social medias. Follow me on Instagram,
TikTok, YouTube, everything is literally the same. Don't be lazy, bro. Just go to any social media, type in KAAIRELLE, and that's me. Oh, do I have a little slogan? Don't play with me, because I might say that in every video now. Anyways, I think I might be at 10 minutes now. So y'all stay blessed and beautiful, and stay safe out there, babes. Okay? Bye for real.